Hi, I'll be doing an overview on Websense Hosted Email Security. Now this is hosted security, so the end user does not get a physical appliance. It's a service and it's hosted by Websense, so they're paying for a service. The advantages of hosted is the end user does not need to buy a physical appliance, they don't need to upgrade a physical appliance, they don't need a dedicated administrator managing and maintaining the appliance, and they don't need to pay for electricity fees. A couple of things to note about Websense hosted security is the emails travel through two data centers, so that gives you redundancy, business continuity and all that stuff. Also, the hosted security, it's actually got some level of DLP within the product, data leakage prevention. Okay, so let's dive into the interface and we'll have a look at what you can configure on the interface. So as you can see in front of you, I've got the dashboard open. The first thing it provides is outbreak alerts. Now these are alerts by Websense showing you what malicious threats it's caught. Going further down to this, you've got your top 5 email viruses globally, and you've also got the top 5 malware globally. They're just global statistics, not on your appliance or anything. So these next ones down are the local ones on your appliance hosted email security. So emails processed for your account. You can see the amount of emails processed. By the way, this is a test account. These are not real statistics, although they're quite good made up statistics. Inbound composition for your account. Now you can see the burgundy red. This shows the amount of spam as compared to everything, the total amount going through the appliance. And a global spam detection rate, showing you the spam detection rate. Okay, and going further down you can see hosted web security. We're not covering that today, I'll be doing that in a different video, so let's go back up. Okay, now let's move on to the setup tab. In the setup tab you've got some subsections. Account, email and web, so we're covering account and email. Within account settings you've got contacts. These are contacts, these administrators you can define here, administrators who would manage this interface and set up rules and things like that. You've got groups and groups of users. You can use LDAP for this, so later on you can use these rules, these groups, and you can define them in your rules. Going on, you've got audit trail. Audit trail is the configuration changes made on the interface, so you could view your past changes. And custom file types. Now these are defined file types you could create and then later on use these file types in your rules, for example to block specific file types or allow them for certain users or groups. Okay, so let's move on to the email tab. In email tab we've got two subsections. Now aliases. Aliases are, for example, if you have an old address and a new address, senders are still sending email to your old address, you can create an alias so it will rewrite from your old address to your new address and finally send your new emails to your Exchange server. Dictionaries, these are key phrases, words you can define here and later on use them in your rules to stop spam and things like that. Below this we have policies. Now policies, usually we have an add button here. I haven't got this, I haven't got the privileges to add any more policies, but we have got a default one, so we can go into this and have a look.